Good day, my name is Jamaya Edor Dionisio in P612 for ELD. Today I'm about to explain one of the example problem in freely falling bodies or pre-fall. Okay, here's the problem I'm about to read. A fruit drops from a tree and falls to the ground 3.15 meters below. A. How much time does it take for the fruit to reach the ground? B. What is the fruit speed just before it hits the ground? Okay, ito na nga, no? So, burahin muna natin to for us to show the equation more understandable. Okay, let's draw the figure first. So, ito yung 3. So, ito yung 3. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's say, ito yung fruit niya. Ayan. Ito yung fruit ng 3. At ito siya nung nahulog na. So, ang maging origin natin dito ay yung drop height ng fruit. So, let's say ito. So, ito magiging y sub o. Ayan. So, pababa ang ating magiging positive direction. So, y sub o is equal to 0. Yung acceleration naman natin ay yung acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second square. So, ito nga yun, is equal to gravity. Ito naman fruit na tinanasa ground ay y is equal to 3.15 meters. Dahil yan yung pinagbagsakan ng fruit natin, which is the height. Okay? So, B sub O natin ulit ay magiging 0 yan. Since nag-start siya sa at rest, so ano muna tayo? Letter A. So, ang hinahanap dito ay yung time of fall. So, may distance tayo na 3.15 meters na pinagbagsakan ng fruit from origin. So, letter A, ang gagamitin natin na equation ay y is equal to y sub O plus B sub O times t. Ayan. Times t plus 1/2 g, which is the acceleration due to gravity, times t square. For letter B, we can relate velocity to time. So, the equation will be B is equal to B sub O plus G times T. Ayan. Ito rin, pwede rin tayo gumamit ng isang equation na to, which is B square plus B sub O square plus 2G delta Y. Ayan. Pero sa original derived equations of motion ay x yan. So, ang initial position natin ay 0. Pati na rin yung velocity natin ay 0 rin. So, cancel na natin yan. So, y sub O is equal to 0. Pati na rin itong B sub O. B sub O, 0 rin yan. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ang alam na natin dito ay yung gravity at final position, which is 3.15. Ito. At gagamitin natin. So, lalagay natin sa equation ay y is equal to 1/2 g times t square. So, cross multiply natin. Ito. So, ayan. This will be 2y is equal to g times square times t square. I-divide natin yung both side na sa g. So, ayan, para makancel natin to. Ang matitira na lang dyan ay t. So, baliktarin natin. So, t square is equal to 2y over g. Ayan. Ayan, take the roots of both sides to cancel the square. We'll have... Ayan, wait lang. Ayan. Cancel natin to square, pati to. So, we will have ano dito. Burahin na natin to. So, we will have t is equal to square root of 2y over g. So, ayan. So, substituting the values, t is equal to square root of 2 times 3.15 meters divided by 9.81, which is yung gravity natin na 9.81 meters per second square. So ayan na nga. Wait, sulat ulit natin ng malinaw. So T is equal to square root of 2 times 3.15 divided by 9.81. So ayan na nga, no? So calculate natin 2 times 3.15 divided by 9.81. Ang lalabas na sagot ay 0.642. So square root natin at ang magiging sagot na natin, ang final answer natin ay T is equal to 0.801 second. So ito na nga yung sagot natin dito sa letter A, ano. Yan na yung na time na kinailangan ng fruit para makarating na siya sa baba, which is the ground. Okay, letter B naman tayo. So gagamitin natin ay itong first equation na to, no. So ayan. So nauna natin yung time, which is 0.01 seconds ito. So masasolve na natin tong V, no. Ito. Bali ito namang B initial ay 0 na to. So ang lalabas diyan ay B is equal to acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second square times yung time natin na nakuha, 0.8801 second. Ayan. Ayan. So times natin siya 9.81. So cancel muna pala natin tong second na to para makakuha natin isang second na to. So 9.81 times 0.081, ang lalabas sa sagot ay B is equal to 7.86 meters per second. So ayan na nga, ito na yung naging sagot natin. Ito na yung yung speed ng fruit bago siya bago siya mapunta sa sa baba, which is yung ground natin. So ayan na, ito na yung dalawang sagot sa A and B.